What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we have a new project, this 350C. This one we're gonna wrap it and in a red chrome. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is a new project. You can see it right here. This one is gonna be in red chrome. So it's gonna be a challenge to wrap this one because red chrome is not easy to wrap. But we're gonna do it. Okay, first I have to wash it, clean everything, remove all the dust. And that's it. After that, we'll start wrapping. Okay. Very nice, has a carbon hood, carbon wing, but we're only gonna wrap the silver area, okay, not the carbon. He doesn't want the wrap on the carbon parts, okay, only on the silver area, but not the wheels. Okay, so let's start with this project. Go. Alright guys, I already removed the spoiler from the bottom, the splitter. What else? I removed the side mirror and this plastic. This was a little bit tricky. You have to slide it to the side. In the door charger you have to lift it up, but in this one you have to slide it to the side. Door handles removed. Trunk spoiler is removed. I just removed this a little bit just to tuck it under. I already removed the spoiler that he had on the rear bumper. That's it, I think. Now the antenna. I removed the antenna. Door handles, plastics, side mirror. So it's ready. Was a lot of work, but it's ready. Alright, so you can see it there. So I'm gonna start with the doors first. So let's continue with the wrap. Alright guys, the first piece. I left marks, so I failed on the first one. The chrome is very hard, so I'm gonna try to do it again. If not, I'm gonna use help. I did this without recording to see how the material works. It's very hard. You cannot stretch it a lot, because if you stretch it, you will leave marks. This one I don't have no marks. Okay, but in this one I started to have marks around here. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try to do it again. If not, I'm gonna ask for help to someone to help me, because this is better if you do it by two people. Okay, so let me do it again. I don't want to waste this material again, but I'm gonna do it again. All right, so let's do it. Okay, now we're gonna do the rear bumper, but I have some inlays in there, inlay there, and this one I'm gonna have to do it in pieces because it's gonna be hard with this curve, so I have to put a seam here. That's the only way for me to do it because I don't want to have marks in this area. Okay, so we're ready for the rear bumper. Okay guys, I already started with the inlays in this area in the front bumper. That's the last part of the full wrap. It looks great, but this one I have to do it in pieces because if you stretch it too much it will fade. Okay, so that's why I have to do it in pieces, but on regular vinyl you don't have to do that many pieces or inlays. Okay, so now let's do. This one is gonna be one part and the bottom part is gonna be another one, so it's gonna have a seam right here in this body line. All right, so let's continue with the last thing, the front bumper. The car is ready. Let's see how it looks outside. Okay guys, you can see it there. It looks beautiful. Wow. Yes. You can see it. Looks super cool. This is red chrome, red mirror chrome. Okay. It looks amazing. We're gonna do more videos for the Corolla. Okay. Turn the notification. Okay, on, because more videos are coming. And this one was very hard, all right, to tell you the truth. I have a little bit of fading over there, but okay. Yeah, it's hard to do this chrome wrap, but it still looks amazing. You can see it all the everything, front, doors, rear bumper. Wow. Love it. Let me know what you guys think of the chrome. Red chrome. This material is from Teckwrap, and the name is red mirror chrome. Okay, but the link is gonna be on the description of the video for this one. Okay, looks amazing. I love it. Okay guys, the car is ready. It looks amazing. It was hard to wrap the chrome, but if I can figure out, you can figure out too. Okay, you need a little bit of experience to wrap chrome. Okay, the links are gonna be on the description of the video. If you wanna get the material, tools, everything are gonna be on the link. Okay, let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.